Los Angeles, a city synonymous with glitz, glamour, and wealth, is home to some of the most luxurious apartments in the world. With breathtaking views of the iconic Hollywood Hills, the Pacific Ocean, and the city skyline, these apartments are designed for those seeking the pinnacle of high-end living. The cost of such luxury is often reflected in their prime locations and extensive amenities, ensuring residents not only experience the best of LA, but also do so in style and comfort. Let's take a tour of some of the finest luxury apartments offering unparalleled views in this vibrant city. Located in Century City, the apartments at Park Elm stand as a testament to architectural brilliance. Designed by Yavu Pushover, these one-bed, one-bath residences offer an expansive 90 SQM of living space at a price of $20,576 per SQM. The floor-to-ceiling windows immerse residents in sweeping views of downtown Los Angeles, the Hollywood Hills, and the Pacific Ocean. The glass-ensconced balconies provide private outdoor retreats, allowing residents to enjoy the city skyline from the comfort of their homes. Pendry Residences, West Hollywood by Montage Hotels and Resorts boasts some of the most sought-after views in the city. Each of the 40 luxury residences, designed by Martin Brudniski and EYRC, features custom finishes, private elevator access, and large terraces, perfect for taking in the vibrant Sunset Boulevard below. With one bed, One bath units covering 90 SQM priced at $20,576 per SQM. Pendry Residences offers a perfect blend of privacy and luxury. Residents also gain access to exclusive amenities such as a social club, spa, and fitness center, providing an all-encompassing luxury lifestyle. Perla on Broadway offers luxury living with a modern twist in the heart of downtown Los Angeles. With 2-bed, 2-bath residences priced at $1,168,000, this stunning condominium is an ideal option. Each unit is designed with clean lines and floor-to-ceiling windows that frame incredible views of San Gabriel, Hollywood Hills, and the LA skyline. Perla also provides 44,000 square ft of lavish lifestyle amenities, including rooftop terraces, an outdoor pool, and a yoga deck, making The Century, designed by the acclaimed Robert A. M. Stern, offers one of the most prestigious addresses in Los Angeles. This 521 SQM, 3-bed, 5-bath penthouse comes at a price of $15,900,000, offering 360-degree panoramic views of the Pacific Ocean, mountains, and city skyline. Its expansive terraces and floor-to-ceiling windows allow residents to enjoy sweeping vistas from nearly every room. Along with a world-class array of amenities, including a 75-foot lap pool, spa, and wine cellar, the Century sets a new standard for luxury high-rise living. For those seeking ultimate opulence, Penthouse 39 in the Century offers unparalleled luxury. Priced at $50 million, this 876 SQM penthouse boasts 3 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, and wraparound terraces offering some of the best panoramic views in Los Angeles, stretching from downtown to the Pacific Ocean. Century Plaza Towers, designed by Paycop Fried, offer luxurious living with iconic 44-story glass towers and unobstructed 10-foot floor-to-ceiling windows. Priced at $20,500,000, these 4-bed, 6-bath apartments span 451 SQM and provide stunning views of the city and the ocean. Amenities such as a luxurious pool, fitness center, spa, and personal wine storage make living here a truly elevated experience. The towers offer unmatched service, from valet parking to 24-hour concierge. Sierra Towers, a favorite among celebrities, offers breathtaking views from every corner of its 24th floor corner unit. With a price of $4,650,000, this 197 SQM, to bed, 3-bath condo features expansive floor-to-ceiling glass walls that offer unobstructed views of Griffith Park Observatory to the ocean. Residents enjoy high-end amenities such as a pool, spa, fitness center, and meeting room, making this one of the most sought-after addresses in LA. Park Place in Century City offers a blend of modern luxury and timeless design. This recently remodeled to bed, 2.5-bath condo features high-end finish such as European oak floors and a sleek kitchen. Priced at a premium, this unit comes with resort-style amenities including multiple pools, tennis courts, and a private patio for indoor-outdoor living, all while enjoying views of Century City skyline. PH2 at Casa Helena, an inviting boutique contemporary Mediterranean-style building constructed in 2007. This exclusive property features only 2 units per floor with key access elevators, ensuring unparalleled security and privacy. The living room features a raised hearthstone fireplace complemented by a chef's kitchen equipped with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, custom cabinetry, stone backsplash, and breakfast bar. These luxury apartments offer a glimpse into the high life of Los Angeles, where panoramic views, world-class amenities, and exquisite designs come together to create homes that redefine urban luxury.